So cost basis is basically where you have the average of all of the stocks that you bought. So let's say you bought 5 stocks and they were all at $10, and then you bought another 5 stocks and they were all at $20. Your cost basis for those 10 stocks total would be $15. So you take the price that you bought all of your stocks at, and then you divide it by how many different prices that is. And that's going to give you your cost basis. And why that's important, and why that is connected to our next term, which is dollar cost average, is because whenever you are newly or starting to get a position into a company, or you're starting to invest your money, it's always a good idea to dollar cost average instead of just putting a lump sum into the stock market. Because, so let's say you invest you have $100 to invest, and you invest all $100 on the very first day, but then the stock market goes down immediately. So it's going to take you longer to recover your money because you have to wait until the stock market gets to that higher level that you first initially invested in. But if you dollar cost average in, so let's say you put $20 in the first day, and then the next week you put $20 more in, and then so on and so forth, as the stock market went down, the average cost of each stock went down as well. So that's why dollar cost average is so important, and that's why it can be helpful. And that works for buying individual stocks, even though it's not as necessary. And then also for buying index stocks. That's the way people tell you to do that. You can also do that with your Roth IRAs, there's plenty of ways to do it. Hopefully this video was helpful in some way, shape, or form. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification. If you have any topics you want me to talk about, or you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Or if you're not comfortable with that, I do have an email in the description. You can email me at that. There's a link to my Facebook, Twitter, and a link to donate if you are very excited in the content that I'm creating and you believe in the dream to get financial education out there. Again, thank you guys so much for listening. Hope this was helpful. Love you guys all. Bye.